gorgeous! So the advent calendar season is slowly approaching and we already have sneak peeks and waiting list for some of them. So I thought it would be fun to start talking about the new advent calendars and also share our predictions. For the last 5 years I'm unboxing advent calendars on my channel, so don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell to get notified for the new unboxings as well. I'm gonna start with the most viral advent calendar of each year, and this one is the Cult Beauty advent calendar. We already have a waiting list for this one, also a sneak peek of the advent calendar. The box is exactly the same with last year's but with a different design, and actually I was expecting that because it is a nice box. This advent calendar is gonna have 25 doors with 39 products and 20 of them are gonna be in full size. That's amazing! The Cult Beauty advent calendar is a multi-brand advent calendar. That means it has a lot of brands and also a lot of different types of beauty products like hair care, skincare, makeup, body care, sometimes wellness. The overall value of this advent calendar is gonna be over 1,000 pounds. I'm very excited about this one. I also bought it last year. The overall value was around 1,100 euros. Last year I gave it 4.5 stars out of 5 just because of the variety, because we had a lot of skincare products. However, the value was amazing and I'm still using those skincare products. Every year they have very trending and expensive beauty products, so my prediction is that we're gonna have again very trending products. The new Cult Beauty advent calendar is getting in my wish list. Let me know in the comments, what are you planning to buy this year? Are you interested in advent calendars? Let's go now to the MAC advent calendar. For this one we have a waiting list, so we know that they will definitely release an advent calendar this year. We don't have any pictures or details about the products. Last year's advent calendar was $195 and we had 24 doors with 17 full-size products. I actually liked that one a lot. We had very nice variety, very nice packaging, and I gave it 5 stars. Every year MAC has a very unique and beautiful design, so I'm guessing this year we're gonna have something super special for the packaging. I'm very excited to see what they are going to release. I actually still have the boxes of previous advent calendars by MAC. Do you want to see one? Okay, just a sec. Okay, I brought last year's advent calendar here. I just couldn't throw it away. It is like a carousel. It is super adorable. Very nice design. Yeah, I have a collection of these advent calendars, not a very useful collection. I'm also going to add this advent calendar in my wish list. Let's go now to one of my favorite drugstore advent calendars, and this one is by Essence. Again, we don't have any pictures or details about the advent calendar, and usually they don't release the advent calendar before September. Every year they have the regular advent calendar, which is a box that you're opening doors, and they also have a DIY advent calendar. This is a tradition in Germany. The DIY advent calendar by Essence usually has 24 paper bags and 24 products that were released in the same year or they were previous releases, and you are actually putting the products in the paper bags. It is very nice if you want to gift it to someone. Last year the retail price was 26 euros and $45 in the US. It was a little bit expensive for Essence products in the US, but 26 euros was a very good price. We always have 24 doors in the Essence advent calendars. Last year I gave to the regular advent calendar 5 stars because I liked it so much. It was very fun to unbox, very festive, nice variety of products, and they always have products designed for that advent calendar, which is so nice. The overall value was around 50 euros. That's why I think it wasn't a great deal if you're living in the US and you had to pay $45. My predictions are that we're going to have this year again 2 advent calendars, one the regular packaging and one the DIY advent calendar. I'm guessing that they're gonna have a very adorable and cute packaging for both of them. I'm also expecting products designed for the advent calendar. I'm also adding this one in my wish list. I'm unboxing it every year, it is tradition. Another affordable advent calendar that you can find at the drugstore is by Catrice Cosmetics, and this one is usually a DIY advent calendar with 24 products. It is exactly the same concept with the Essence DIY advent calendar because Essence and Catrice Cosmetics are sister brands. In the Catrice advent calendar, we usually have 4 or 5 limited edition makeup products that are only designed for the advent calendar. You can also buy them individually sometimes. Catrice Cosmetics has never released the regular advent calendar with doors, so that would be a very nice surprise to see a very cute packaging. So my prediction is, and also my wish list, that they have a regular advent calendar as well, but I'm certain that they're going to have a DIY advent calendar. Last year's advent calendar retailed for €40. We had 24 products, all of them were full size. FYI, the DIY advent calendars by Essence and Catrice always contain full-size products. So if you have never tried the products, it is a great deal. And the overall value for the Catrice DIY advent calendar was around €144, which was amazing. I gave that advent calendar 4.5 stars because of the variety, but the products were actually very nice. The last 2 years they have 4 or 5 different varieties of these advent calendars, so you can see on the outside of the box which variety you like the most. You can see the products. It is a spoiler, but what can we do? This advent calendar also gets in my wish list. I'm very curious to see what they're gonna have this year. Moving on to a different type of advent calendar, and this one is by Lush. This brand has handmade products for the hair, body and skin. They have amazing bath bombs and I really want to try them this year. We actually have sneak peeks of the advent calendars that they are going to release. We're going to have 2 advent calendars. They are super colorful and the price is gonna be £195 with 25 doors, and they're going to have a variety of products that they are selling, like bath bombs, perfumes, shower gels, scrubs and more. So the variety is very similar to the Body Shop advent calendars. The second advent calendar is gonna be £125. This one is gonna have 25 doors with a lot of bombs, bath bombs and bubble bars. I am more interested in this one because I really like bath bombs, especially in the winter. I like taking a bath, relaxing, have some candles, and I'm also reading my book on my Kindle. So I would really like to find this advent calendar. However, I'm trying to buy a Lush advent calendar for the last 2 years because they don't sell them in Germany. This year I will try again. These advent calendars are going to be released on 24th of August. If I'm not able to find them this year, I'm going to buy some bath bombs, or if they have any Christmas gift sets. So I'm gonna have one of these advent calendars in my wish list. Let's go now to the L'Oreal advent calendar. We don't have any clues about it yet. They always release the typical advent calendar with doors that is super easy to unbox. In this advent calendar, usually we have L'Oreal products. I think it is a great way to buy the advent calendar if you want to try L'Oreal products, because each product is around $11. Last year's advent calendar was €70. We had 24 doors with 20 full-size products, and the overall value was around €280. So the value was here. I gave it 4.5 stars because of the variety again. My prediction is that they're going to release 1 or 2 advent calendars with doors. with a very festive design. I'm hoping it's not gonna be very expensive, and also I'm anticipating to see if they're going to have new makeup releases in these advent calendars. That would be nice. Another drugstore brand that always has an advent calendar is Maybelline, and we always have again the typical advent calendar with doors. For this advent calendar we have some different variations for different countries like Spain, Germany, Italy. I have seen the L'Oreal and the Maybelline advent calendars mostly in Europe. You don't really see them in the US or in other countries. Last year's advent calendar was around 60 euros. I'm hoping it's not gonna get more expensive. We had 24 products with 18 full-size products. I also gave it 4.5 stars last year, but it wasn't a disappointing advent calendar. So my prediction for this advent calendar is that we're going to have again something with doors. I would love to see some new Maybelline products thrown in there. We wouldn't say no to them. I'm hoping not a lot of nail products. Again, nail polishes. We're getting the same nail polish colors every year. Maybe that's why I gave it 4.5 stars last year. Up next, let's go to the Espa advent calendar. This is a wellness advent calendar with a lot of different types of beauty products. For this one we have a wait list. We don't have yet any sneak peeks about the products or even a picture of the advent calendar, the box. I have tried before some of their products. They have amazing bath salts that smell so nice. I'm curious about this advent calendar. The retail price is gonna be £160. It's not cheap, so I want to see what is gonna be the variety of the products. They're going to have 25 doors. My prediction is that they're going to have a variety of what they are selling, a variety of body care, skin care, wellness, because I like those bath salts so much. I want to see what they're going to have in the advent calendar and decide if I'm going to have it in my wish list or not. And now let's talk about one of my favorite advent calendars of last year's, and this is the Makeup Revolution advent calendar, or maybe I should say Revolution Beauty. I can never remember the name. This brand holds the world's record of advent calendar releases every year. Last year they had 9 advent calendars. I bought one of them and I really liked it. I gave it 5 stars. Imagine how much I liked it. This year we have sneak peeks of one of the advent calendars. It is pink, super cute. The box looks like a lot what we had last year and previous years. The new advent calendar is named 24 Days of Glam Advent Calendar. As I can see, we're going to have one of the latest releases that they have. I see the Super Dewy. I think this is a new creamy blush that they released this year. That's nice. Something that looks like a blush and highlighter palette, an eyeshadow palette. I'm happy to see this variety of products, and I'm predicting that this year they're going to release 10 advent calendars with different themes, different products. I will definitely buy one Revolution Beauty advent calendar. I don't know which one yet. Maybe this one from the sneak peek. Let's continue with the Body Shop advent calendars. Usually every year we have 3 of them and they are being released in August. So I have just checked online. We don't have any sneak peeks, any spoilers, any pictures, which is weird. Usually we have. As I was saying, every year they have 3 advent calendars with a different design and also a different price range. So I really like the pop-up design, and my most favorite advent calendar by the Body Shop is the biggest because I think it has the best overall value. The Body Shop has some of my favorite body care products. Last year I bought the biggest one. It was 139 euros with 25 products. We had 22 full-size products out of 25. That's amazing. And the overall value was 238 euros. I gave it, of course, 5 stars. It was a very nice advent calendar. I still have the box, by the way. And the issue is I also have the previous years. I don't have place for my clothes in my closet, but I have the boxes of the advent calendars. My prediction is that they're going to release 3 advent calendars with similar design and packaging. I'm guessing they're going to release it in August. They are always one of the first brands to have their advent calendars for sale. It's weird that we don't have information about them yet. For this year, most probably I'm gonna buy only the biggest advent calendar as well. We really like their products and we're using them all year with my husband. Do you have any advent calendars in your wish list? Also, what are your predictions for this year? Let me know in the comments. You can also watch this video here. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next one. Bye!